So where AI is going to take us in, say, the time span of 2 to 5 years is areas that are not so obvious to be the LLM compatible. Like you would not think of this as a natural language, but it can be easily described in lexemes that are very similar to natural languages. And the perfect example is like XML. If you will ask ChatDPT to create a XML schema for you, or like say the overlay the XML schema of a Jira project on the list of the tasks, then it will basically create the Jira project out of the textual description, which means that it can now do like other things such as like API queries, and it can take the information from one source to another source, structure this information in a compatible manner, pass it on, and really like recreate the entire business processes in a digital way. Speaking of the business processes themselves, even if you are in a most creative environment, you still have a certain workflow, and this workflow can be parameterized, standardized, based on all the previous like communications that you had, stuff like that. And really like Slack and Gmail and other providers, they have all this data. They understand all the communications that have been happening in your company, and understanding what, has triggered a certain communication and how different people pass the communication on from one to another. And once you have access to the data, what can be done with this data is really incredible, because now the business process can be digitized, and many of the decision-making gateways can be substituted or kind of like recreated digitally through the decision models, so that the decisions are being made by the machines, by AI, instead of the humans. Praise the future. Like that's what it's gonna be like soon enough. We're gonna see it soon. We just need to be ready for it and capture the opportunity, which we are helping you with within our AI venture studio called Adaya. Cheers.